too much board. Wow.
You gotta get the bumps. When I get my 8-6 down, I'm gonna let you decide. You can ride either one.
Okay. All right, guys, so as you saw, I woke up to Steve Dwyer waxing up a 9.6 for me. And I'm gonna say that this is officially gonna be considered a rhino chaser. 9.6, there he is, the legend. There's legend, and then there's this guy. Do you always wake your guests up by waxing a 9.6?
Say it again.
Do you always wake up your guests by waxing a 9.6 for them?
No.
So the plan is we're gonna go down to the beach in about an hour, and we're gonna be surfing some pretty substantial waves. Probably the biggest waves I've surfed in a long time. So as you can see, I have a massive board for this, and wish me luck. Good morning. What's your official claim on this upcoming surf session?
On this upcoming endeavor?
Yeah.
See the size of that board?
That's not cool, dude.
I don't know.
I want a more comforting claim.
You'll be fine. Seriously. You surfed yesterday. Yesterday was heavy, and it was still like double overhead. So you just add 6 feet to that, and like an hour-long paddle, and you're set.
Oh man.
I'll tell you what, dude. Whatever happens, at least I'll film it so we can look at it later. Are you nervous?
Yeah, of course.
You should do.
All right, we are on the way. My teeth have been numb for the past 3 hours. My heart is pumping out of my chest. I am tripping out. Chills up and down my spine. I am tripping out. Just gotta take it as it comes, breathe, do what I know, get out there and get a couple waves. Wish me luck, guys. This is heavy. Thank you for everything, for the dream.
Are you confessing your nervousness right now?
Yeah.
Bro, seriously?
What's up?
You're gonna be fine.
All right, we're at the beach. It's big. Here we go. Kind of looks like where that guy's standing.
Told you I'd see you again.
What's up, dude?
I'm gonna be shooting from shore. The boys are all coming up from Ventura. They'll be here in the next like.
Look at that mustache, though.
right, so I was super nervous going out, and it actually ended up being pretty mellow. The waves out there definitely had a lot of size, but it wasn't as scary as I anticipated. I got some waves and it was fun. So the dream continues. Whew. Case in point, push yourself, because I was so scared earlier this morning that I almost didn't want to go out. Went out there, had an amazing time. I actually was hoping that I could score it a little bigger. So the stoke factor. In the car now, just got off the sesh. Gonna log on to the surf engine, my sand bucket list, find the dream, and check it off. Success. Completed list right there. So the sand bucket list acts as a bucket list for spots that you want to surf. So I got some in here and I just checked one off. So shout out to the surf engine for the dream. Whoa, guy. Wave of the day. Let's talk about it. The official interview. 28 years married. Show up at the beach, you get the wave of the day. How does it feel?
I wasn't ready for the moment.
Are you ready for the new moment? That might happen in a little bit, though.
I'm not ready for this moment.
All right, this guy behind me, 28th wedding anniversary today. Wish him a happy anniversary in the comments. Look at him. And he was charging this morning. This guy's a legend. All right, the claim is that there's a couple sick ones out front of big champ Steve's house down at the pier. So we're heading down there and we're about to just absolutely nail it.